Stop by and take a look at the 2023 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.